We're at the mall. Our fridge stopped working. It's as hot as a heater. So I'm at the mall with my boo bear. Let's go buy a fridge.
Yep.
Okay, we are at House and Home looking for a fridge because our fridge is as hot as a heater. It is broken. We are here to buy a fridge. We just bought our car. Well, we paid for it last week. We need to pay for the carrier. So we need to go to the bank, get cash for the carrier to send the car to Congo. That's our Congo car. But for now, let's buy a fridge. Let's go.
I know we're buying the fridge.
House and Home.
So, okay, wait.
Okay, we're supposed to buy. Initially, we came to buy at Game, but let's check for a special at House and Home first, then we'll go to Game.
House and Home, let's go. And our fridge has been alive for a longest time.
For the longest time.
For as long as your age. Babe, what did you say?
I'm saying this place makes me feel like having my own house.
Your own house?
Yeah, owning my own house, which I'm getting there. But every time I get in here and I see furniture that I love, I'm just like, God, my house. But we're gonna get there. It's life.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you living now?
I am living at my in-laws' house. What?
So let's say there's no special here today.
7,000.
This is Kapupa, bro.
Hi.
Hi. This is 15.
So what is that? We take it for your fridges on special. Or this the first one on special.
Do you guys have any special?
Yeah, this is a special.
This one?
Yes, 12,000 from 14.
Yes. That is crazy.
Yeah.
That's
Not
too
the
expensive.
big ones though.
Sorry? Not the big ones.
Yeah.
Check that one.
You don't have something this big but on special. Like this wide.
This mild on special.
Wide, yes.
Yes, check. How is this one?
No, too small.
Is it wide?
No, it's not.
It's not as
Too
wide as
small.
this
I
one.
want it wide.
Something wild but special. This is not wide enough.
No.
Then you would have to go for those 2 doors.
Done in House and Home. Let's go to Game so we can compare prices properly. I'll give you guys an update when we get there. We are in Game. Let's find our fridge. Let's try and find the fridge that's on special. Let's go.
Okay, let's go straight to the elephant. Come. Oh, is that what do they say?
Straight to the there's a 14
let's address the elephant in the room. No, I'm not talking about 14,000. My budget is 10,000. That's my budget.
13. There's 10. There's 11. And there's 12. Juniors. There's 11. And there's 12. What would you rather do?
11.
What would Jesus do?
11.
Not a baby.
What do you mean? It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Check, the freezer of this thing is big as well, right? In the bottom. You can fit whatever you can fit in there for a week. So 5 minutes later.
5 minutes later, we have decided to buy this one. It's big enough. You know, we don't necessarily need double doors. This space is big enough for our household, so I was just fussing for double doors. This is fine. We can take this. Let's go pay. Babe, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Plus this one says A plus energy. Check.
A plus energy rating.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's go.
How are you, ma'am? Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah.
You guys have stock on this one, yeah?
Sorry?
You guys have stock on this one?
I can check it for you.
And if you can check it, what's your last price?
This is a price. What do you mean it's a nice price?
Yeah, okay, I'm sure you guys can go.
It's already on sale.
Really, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Not even 1,000 rand. Okay.
I like to put you.
Mbayo. MBAYO.
MBA. People, I'm scared of
Because I saw-
Of video.
on TikTok. You know?
No.
Hey, that guy with that lady with the red eyes.
We're
No.
actually very aware that people don't
Like
to be-
being shown, so.
Trust me, it's something that we face every day when it comes to vlogging and stuff. You go to other places, they will tell you, sorry, no, not to be coming here.
Take pictures.
Yeah.
You're gonna party more?
The kids are grown now.
If the kids are grown, you are free. You are the teenager now in the house.
She's a teenager.
In the household. There's our receipt.
And that's my number as well.
Okay, stand up.
2 cents.
Okay, it's 4-year warranty. Then this is an additional of a 1 year. You go to the website and register, choose SA, then you have 5-year warranty. When they come tomorrow to deliver, you have to open the packaging, check any physical damage. If you see a dent or a scratch, you send it back to the with the driver. But if it's okay, you accept and sign for it.
And warranty
Then plug it in after 4 hours.
After 4 hours.
Yes,
4
let the
hours.
gas start off first.
Okay.
The warranty is 4 years.
Okay.
5th year.
is it on everything? No,
The
on the
rest is
motor.
not covered. Motor and everything, but physical damage, no.
So what?
And the gas?
The gas is inclusive.
Okay.
So let's
The
say
rust and the physical damage is not covered. But everything.
physical damage, which is if the handle is broken.
Yes, if you broke the handle or you broke the chair shelves or something,
Something.
it's not
Okay.
covered. But and rust also because we stay in Durban.
Okay.
But then after everything, fully covered.
Everything is okay.
Please check your rubbers. Your rubbers, you can be able to remove them and clean them and put it back. Sometimes if the fridge comes, it's normally loose. Then stick it nicely into the fridge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you
we
so
go
much,
pay in
guys.
front.
Welcome. Yes, pay the front, then everything will be loaded. If ever you've got any issues, there's a number. You repair this and slip.
Next time, remove the 99 so I can get a washing machine, please. The fridge. Bought the fridge. Ooh, I'm falling. Now what do we need to do? We need to go pay DSTV. We need to pay Wi-Fi and
to the bank.
security. Alarm system, and go to the bank, get money for the car carrier so we can send the car to Congo. Sabon? Sapi London.
Such a long backward. You're gonna do it from a distance. So.
Yeah. Atana mapas. Done. Oh, the receipt is gonna come out here.
Things should have been backward.
Yeah, but fridge is an essential thing, so they know you will buy. Thank you. So all we are waiting for tomorrow is delivery.
Delivery. We're gonna vlog delivery.
Yes.
We're also gonna vlog unboxing.
Yes, unboxing. Ticket number 135. We are in Vodacom, here to pay Wi-Fi. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're done paying Wi-Fi. We bought the fridge. It will be delivered tomorrow. We forgot to pay DSTV in game. We'll do that tomorrow. For now, we're tired. It's raining. Let's go home and snuggle with my lover. Bye. We went to snuggle. This is the next day. It is a Friday morning. We are on our way to the bank to get money for the car, our DRC car. We had to pay the carrier so the car can be on its way to Congo the next day. Done at FNB. We've withdrawn the money.
Okay, so I'm just arranging the notes according to numerical orders. Ascending or descending, ascending order or descending order. You know what I mean? You'll figure out. But anyways, I'm done doing that. So this is the Makura, baby.
For the truck.
Yeah, imagine.
What's the car and the truck?
I can't believe it's costing 10,500.
Yeah, 10,000 because the car. Put the car in the. Our car for Congo. Our errands car in Congo. Now we need to buy a truck for the farm.
Double door fridge, but I'm sure three people can handle it. You know, you need some tough guys, eh? I'm personally there, so I'm gonna be there. How long you gonna be here? Okay, but if the trolley could have been there, that could have really helped, eh? That would have made things much more easier. But three people, four of us, we can lift it up, I guess. Sure, but that's hectic, eh?
I guess you can see for yourself why my husband was so worried about how that fridge was going to get into our house. If you know, you know. If you don't know, let me explain something to you. We live in KZN and we've got big yards, but the landscape is very steep. And that means we've got a lot of stairs outside for you to get to the actual house. These guys had a lot of strategizing to do, and on top of that, they had to take a couple of breaks in between, but I will let you watch for yourself.
There you go. Put your hand in the center first.
We're going all the way up there to the back. So another problem was that we currently have our main house under construction, so we live in our back room, so that means more stairs for them. Come.
The whole thing. Yeah.
While taking a break, one of the guys started telling my husband that he can actually carry this fridge on his back by himself up those stairs.
Big steps are there.
No one is supposed to be two men.
Wait. But Just give me my hand. This is unfair, guys. Hold the corner, Albert. I think I take it. Albert, hold the corner there. Come, easy. Hold it.
They had to take another strategy breather, but don't worry, they were almost there.
They're taking a break.
No,
I'm gonna open the door.
hold it there. Yeah.
Andy Cohen brings the fun. Receipts through timeline. The drama.
No, just like that. Right. Come. Hold the corner.
I'm in the house.
The struggle was real, but finally the fridge made it into the house.
Straight there, it's not a big deal.
No stress. Nothing there. Come. Come there. Here. Albert, you had two people there, it was easier.
In case you're wondering, there is our old fridge and it was ready to get picked up by someone who bought it. My husband had already moved it out of the way. At this point, I think they were frustrated and they were starting to fight with one another.
So the fridge has arrived. I think the size is absolutely perfect because the double door fridge was too wide, so you had very little room to walk up the stairs. So I think this works out perfectly. It's this type of fridge, but it's wide. So yeah. Time to switch on the fridge and what is it? And stick it. Remove the stickers and unwrap it. Yes, time to unwrap because it's already unboxed and unwrap the fridge. Wait. Okay, go. Now do that somewhere. Now start with the sticker. Start with the sticker. This side, it opens this side.
Opens here.
No. Oh, Jesus. A close up. I think it's decoration. There's more tape. I think they're both sides. Wait. Yeah? Where's the focus? When you put your hand down to put it in. It's not focused, yeah. Okay.
Let's figure out what is this thing for.
It's for ice.
Up.
There are stickers here. Oops. So you see these will put the ice in this tray. You see? These are ice trays. Close. Lift it.
Water in your room. Already now.
Wait, let's switch it on first.
Okay. It's better we put water in first.
So we must put the ice cubes as well.
This one. Okay. This one.
Where is it?
So we press this on the heater. So it's time to put water in there.
There are
No,
dishes.
put it.
I'm tempted to just dump it, but slow and steady is the way.
It went.
Okay, more.
Is it very nice?
Yes. Child, Mr. Inspector had to zoom in to make sure that I didn't miss the mark.
Yeah.
And then, right?
Yeah.
This is for ice, to tip the ice into this. Oh, plastic. Oh, it's underneath. Let's do it. Satisfaction.
One.
Okay, let's do the ice. Let me just freeze. Done.
And in here, what's in here? What goes in here?
Bacon. Oh.
Switch it on now.
Let's just
Hold. I need to plug. Alright. Can you open this side?
I told you can't. It's decoration.
Oh, it's decoration.
The handles this side.
This is confusing.
It's dark, but it's the same as here. Anyway, let's go. It will confuse a thief. How? I thought you're moving the fridge. You're gonna get the whole drama what you're doing in there.
No.
Wow. I want to. Okay, we're about to plug the fridge. Let's go. Light it up.
In 3,
2,
1.
Santa Claus. Yes.
Let's
Woo! We are with you.
see here. What's this?
Power.
Are there any button?
There. Ooh. She just got gas door.
Already?
Yeah.
I guess it's setting. You can put on sport mode, super freezy, and then you can put it on super cool, and then you can put it on energy save. And there we
So
go.
at the back.
24. Can you feel the cold there?
No.
I can feel it. It's blowing at me. Oh, come on. 24.
Are you just guessing what you need to put the settings
Oh,
on?
I'm not guessing. I know.
How do you know?
I've won the fridge before.
Okay. And I haven't. Well, mine, to be fair, didn't have this button. What? Mine had those twisties.
Then we're done.
But it's still alive today.
We
It's
must
still-
leave it.
That's what saved us when the other one, the previous fridge, died. So, yes. Why? What is this now? It changed.
I'm sure it's just.
Leveling up. Oh, just get up closer. Done. Update.
Before we put anything,
The song in the background.
can you please cut your nya nya nya? Yes. For 2 seconds. So before we put anything, your hand there. Before we put anything in the fridge, you must let it on for at least an hour.
Let it on.
Yeah, leave it running for at least an hour so that it must catch a very, very nice, proper, cool freezing. You get what I mean? If you don't get it,
Forget
and then after
about it.
that, you wanna put stuff in there.
Bye.
And cool.
So now you must buy groceries.
This baby oil that is
Hello. So now you must buy groceries.
must buy groceries. I'm gonna show you.
Yes.
And what's this?
I don't know.
This baby book.
Where's the menu? Who said it goes in the freezer? Oh, you found it in the freezer.
Yeah, it's already blowing me.
Is it? Oh, it is.
Check. See it. Oh.
Somebody please tell us what that thing is and what it's used for.
Yeah. What's in here? The menu. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
what is that?
Look at that. We got this.
What's it?
What else did we get? I don't know what that is.
What that is?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's some kind of tool, baby.
I don't know what that is. Nest. Edges. I know what that is.
As promised, we did buy the groceries and a short video will be coming soon. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post. Love you, bye.